represent?
I don't know.
All right, I'm going to help you guys.
Cookies.
It could represent cookies. How about this? How about a bin of rice
Why rice?
at a store? All right, we'll change it to cookies.
Yeah.
A bin of cookies at a store is 1/3 full. After 10 additional pounds of cookies. You said cookies is added to the bin. The bin is 3/5 full. How much in pounds cookies does the bin hold? Okay. All right. So let's talk about that. So I think that works. Yes.
Yeah. I like 10 pounds of cookies.
So I think that works. No. So a bin of cookies at a store is 1/3 of the way full. You add 10 more pounds of cookies, and then when you're done with that, it's 3/5 of the way full. So it's not all the way full. So this is a really big bin. How much in pounds cookies does the? How much? That sounds grammatically incorrect. How many? But we're talking about the weight. So how much cookies?
How many pounds of cookies?
Yeah, let's change it. How many?
How much cookies? How much cookies?
How many pounds of cookies? That sounds better. Does the bin hold? Okay. So let's do the math on that. Now for this one, let's start with the lowest common multiple. So I'm gonna write this over to the side, and let me scroll up a little bit. So we're gonna start with, to solve this one, we're gonna say 1/3 x plus 10 is equal to 3/5 x. So now what is, write real small. What is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5?
15.
So let's do, yep, you're right, but this is how you would do it. 5 times 1 is 5. Does 3 divide evenly into 5? No. 5 times 2 is 10.
I knew that.
Does 3 divide evenly into 10?
No.
No. Now this one, 5 times 3 equals 15. Yes.
Maybe. Yes, I knew that.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this whole thing and I'm going to multiply it by 15. So what's 15 times 1? 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this whole thing becomes 5x. What's 15 times 10? Yeah, 150. Now what's 15 times 3? 45. So let me do this on the calculator so you guys can see. I know I shout out stuff. So I'm going to say, I'm doing this in my head, but if you can't do it in your head, 15 times the numerator, which is 3, equals 45. And then I divide that by the denominator, which is 5, which is 9. So this whole thing equals 9x. Okay? Now what do? I got to solve it. I got to get x by itself. I need to move the lesser of the two x's. Which one's lesser? 5. So I'm going to do that by subtracting 5x from both sides. And I get 150 is equal to 4x. What do I do next? divide by 4. Good job. These 4's cancel, and I get x is equal to, let's do it in the calculator. I think it's 37.5. Let's check, though. Divided by 4. Huh. It's like I know what I'm doing. So what does the 37.5 represent?
How many pounds of cookies the bin?
Yeah, so we would say the bin holds 37.5 pounds of cookies. That's a lot, isn't it?
I love cookies. That's okay.
All right.
I would eat 30
Whew,
pounds.
that was a long problem.